Hello, my name is Veena Suthan. I am AIR 124 this year in UPSC 2019. It was my second attempt. In my first attempt in UPSC 2018, I had 299 rank, All India rank, and both time my optionals were geography. And right now I am in the Indian Railway Traffic Service based on my 299 rank in UPSC 2018. So since both time my optional was geography, it has paid me good dividend because both time I was able to crack. So geography, usually people think that it's a very tough optional, but I think it is an optional if studied in the correct way, which can not only help you score good marks in your optional but also in your prelims and in your GS paper. So if you look at paper of geography, as every optional paper there is paper 1 and paper 2. So if we take paper 1, there is physical geography and human geography. So what I did in my first attempt was, in paper 1, I had completely studied from Nikhil sir in the Island Academy. So I had used his notes, and that itself I had used for paper 1 in my first attempt. In my second attempt, I had, because there is a lot of time and there is always scope of improvement, so I had gone on and read other books, whether it was Savinder Singh or Physical Geography by Savinder Singh or Geomorphology by Savinder Singh. All those books I had read. So in paper 1, if we see, there is physical and there is human geography. So if you, for me, I looked at which is more better or easier to understand, or which part I can score more. So what I did was, in my first attempt, I did not pick any physical or human geography as my favorite and put more effort. But in my second attempt, I had decided to prepare a bit more better in the human geography. So in the human geography, I had prepared very well on perspectives, and since you learn perspective very well, everything else become connected and you can easily learn and study from that. So once you have studied paper 1 fully, that is full theoretical part, and in physical geography and its application also, because these days people UPSC is usually asking application based questions rather than just outright straight questions. So after that is paper 2, and paper 2 I find it is very easy because it is just application of whatever theory you have studied in paper 1 into the Indian geography. And in that they will ask you very basic questions in UPSC, which like it might be any government scheme also. So the only thing you have to do is you have to just take your theoretical knowledge from paper 1, take your current affairs which you have studied for your GS, and take your map and your diagram and use these to write your paper 2 answers. So even if the question is general, when you are putting your paper 1 theory, names, geographers into it, and when you are adding your maps, it will become a very geographical answer, and as such paper 2 of geography becomes very easy. And what I will say in case of advantages in geography is that I already said that it is good for prelims and GS papers, and paper 2 is comparatively very easy. So even if you don't put too much effort, you don't have to put too much effort into it. And what you have to take care while doing geography, that mistakes that I did during my first attempt is that, first is that I did not study perspectives properly. I only started studying perspectives only after I cracked prelims, which was a mistake because perspectives forms a very important part of geography. Without knowing perspectives, it's very difficult to even understand what geography is. So study your perspectives properly. Second thing is study your maps properly. Like take your India map, spend some time with it, know every nook and corner of India from every aspect of your syllabus. Okay, so if you are studying industrial geography, take your map and study every place of industrial in your map. Okay, this is something that I did not do for my first attempt. And the third thing is, whatever you are studying, the end result will always come from the 3 hours effort that you put actually while writing the paper. So while writing the paper, be of calm mind, think properly, and whatever you have studied, apply it properly, write it beautifully with good diagrams and maps. And apart from that, the only dangerous thing I feel in geography is sometimes they are giving very tough papers, but that is okay because even if the paper is very tough, people are able to score 300 above. So that means you can also score 300 above, and considering all the other positive benefits of geography, it is well and fine. I think apart from that, geography is a very good subject. So if you have selected geography, just keep full faith in yourself and just study every part, memorize syllabus also very nicely and thoroughly, and whenever you are reading newspaper or anything, keep that syllabus along with your GS paper, keep your geography syllabus also alongside, and apply your geography concept into the newspaper that you are reading. That will also prove very beneficial for studying geography. So if you have decided to take geography as your optional, then have faith in geography and just go through your syllabus and study, and you will be able to crack with geography. You will have a good time with GS also along with geography if you are having geography. So all the very best for your UPSC journey. Enjoy it, as well as I hope it has a wonderful end also. Thank you.